Hello, hello, kings and queens. Welcome back to Khadijah's Corner. Today, I am making Booz Brownie Sundae. Yes, Booz Brownie Sundae. It's so delicious, you guys. It's so delicious. It has some of my Jack Daniels in it. You know, it's the weekend, so that means it's time to get lit. And what's better off with some Jack Daniels in your dessert? If you guys would like to know how I make some Booz Brownie Sundae, well, stay tuned. So first thing first, we get our bowl. So you take your bowl. I'm just going to use some fudge brownie mix. Whatever the box says, you do. You take your 2 eggs. Make sure you don't drop any shells in there. Oh yeah, while you're doing this, make sure you preheat your oven at 325 so it's nice and ready. And then you take your vegetable oil. You only need a half a cup. And 3 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna put like 4 so it can be not so thick. If you don't want to put alcohol in this, you don't have to. If you're making it for your children, do not put alcohol in this. Because they're not over 21. So don't put alcohol in it. And if you want, you can blend this up with a blender, but I'm just going to use a whisk. Alright, so take your Jack Daniels. I'm using the Tennessee honey. And for real, you can just pour as much as you like. But don't go overboard, you really gonna be lit. You're really gonna be boozed. Yo, this is really a workout. Because my arm hurts so bad. Shit. Okay, so this is what your brownies are supposed to look like. So I'm going to take my cookies and cream ice cream. You can use any type of ice cream that you like, but I'm going to use cookies and cream. And you take as much as you want of a brownie. And then you take you another piece. Ooh, this is so good. Put that on top. And put some more ice cream on there. And you can layer this as much as you want to, but I ain't gonna be greedy today. And then you take your caramel syrup. If you like chocolate syrup better, you can use chocolate syrup. I don't care what kind of syrup you use. Shit, you can use maple syrup if you want to. Oh shit. Oops. Like smash it. Okay. Brownie can't tumble it down at all. Okay, so put some caramel. And if you want to put some nuts on here, I'm going to use walnuts. Just sprinkle over the top. This looks like a heart attack. Make sure you check your blood sugar after you eat this, cause this is what it looks like. Booz Brownie Sundae. So I got my friend right here. She's gonna taste it.
Yeah, you ready to taste it? You want a spoon?
She gonna tell y'all what it really tastes like. Yeah. Got some Jack Daniels.
Yes. Come back, Jack Daniels. Alright, let's see. It smells good, looks good. Let's see.
Tastes good?
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
She gonna fix milk. So.
She gonna have a heart attack, y'all. Might have to call 911. And that is how you make Booz Brownie Sundae.
Very good.
Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be back.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.